Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to load a GitHub project instantly on the cloud using a cloud-based tool called gitpod. So here I have a GitHub project which I want to load in the cloud-based tool called gitpod. So you need to go to gitpod.io and then you need to put a hash and then put the URL of the GitHub project, and then you'll see that the project is loading up. It takes a while for it to load up, but eventually it will. And as you can see, the project is loaded up, and this project has a great big project. You can actually now create a branch in your name, like so now you have changed it on your branch, and then you can actually run Gradle commands in this. So you can see the Gradle is also working, so the build command is also working, though it failed. But yeah, this actually helps you to have a quick look at the source code of a Git project without cloning it into your local. So you can browse all the code online itself in the cloud instead of cloning and loading it into your hard drive. So this is a very cool tool if you want to quickly browse the contents of a GitHub project on the cloud.